Tiny Gummy Bear TV.
Hey everyone, are you ready for some fun? The sun is shining, the day's just begun. Grab your shoes, your toys, your favorite hat. We're going outside, imagine that. Let's stretch our arms, touch our toes. Run in circles, strike a pose. Jump up high, feel your heart race. Exercise puts a smile on your face. Kick the ball, pass it around. Chase it fast across the ground. Score a goal, hear the crowd cheer. Playing football brings us near. Leash up your dog or grab your cat. Walk your pet, how fun is that? Wagging tails and playful barks. Together we'll explore the parks. Roll the snow, stack it up tall. Give it a scarf and a hat to call. Add a carrot for the nose just right. Our snowman smiling, what a sight! Climb the slide and zoom right down. Spin on the merry-go-round in town. Swing so high, touch the sky. The park is where we laugh and fly. Dig in the sand, pile it up high. A castle rises under the sky. Seashells here and towers there. Our sandy kingdoms beyond compare. Hold the string, let the kite take flight. Watch it soar to a dizzying height. Dancing colors in the sky so blue. Flying kites is a dream come true. Splash in the water, cool and bright. Swim like a fish, feel the delight. Float on your back, let the sun kiss. A swim in the lake is pure bliss. Pitch the tent under the trees. Feel the whisper of the gentle breeze. Light a fire, tell stories near. Camping fun with those we hold dear. Spread the blanket, open the basket wide. Tasty treats and friends by our side. Sharing snacks under the sunny skies. Picnic days are a joyful surprise. Grab your guitar or a tambourine. Let's make music in the outdoor scene. Singing songs, clapping our hands. A musical day, oh how grand. Pack your cars, your dolls and more. Toys are fun on the grassy floor. Build, create and share the play. Toys outside make the perfect day. Climb on the pony, hold the reins tight. Feel the rhythm as we take flight. Trotting gently step by step. Pony rides we won't forget. Grab the rope, let's hop and spin. Count the jumps, who win? Double dutch or solo play. Skipping is fun every day. Step by step, let's walk and chat. Look at the flowers, what's that? Hear the birds sing sweet and clear. A simple walk brings us cheer. Every activity, every smile makes going outside so worthwhile. With friends, with pets, with laughter and pride. Let's keep exploring the great outside.